Diamonds, I could put you in that Birkin. Seen you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it in reverse. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, show that you deserve it. My band inside of the wig or whatever, and I plucked it a little bit. I'm already great plucking with this wig, so I really had to do much. I'm also going to be doing something different today in my video. I'm going to be using lace tint on my frontal. You guys know I've never used lace tint before, so you guys should have heard about this company before. This is Touchdown. So in here they sent me a edge satin scarf, sent me the 2 lace tint sprays. They also sent me a wig and hair detangler leave-in conditioner, which is cherry berry, and this is from Touchdown, like I said. So I know this smells mad good. I'm gonna be using this on my curly hair because this is leave-in conditioner. And then they sent me the Touchdown edge tamer. I know you guys heard about this in beauty supply stores, and honestly this joint smells good, and it is thick. I can already tell this stuff is going to be super hold, you feel me? This is my first time using lace tint, y'all, and I'm going to be using this on my wigs instead of the makeup. There's nothing wrong with the makeup. Oh shoot, there's nothing wrong with the makeup or the concealer, but I just know lace tint is more like a accurate thing. I have light brown and medium brown, so I don't know which one would like fit my skin to the T. So here's a trick I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to spray the medium brown first. And wait, how do I even use this? Let's see, directions. So yeah, this is medium brown. So I'm going to spray the medium brown. So this is how the medium brown look. It somewhat looks like close to my skin tone. And this is the light brown. You guys can see that? It's like I need to focus. So I feel like, look, I'm going to show you guys both. This is the dark brown. This is the medium brown. This is light brown. I feel like I'm going to go with light brown. Definitely. Like I said, this is in all beauty supply stores. So I'm going to turn my lace inside out. This is how the lace looks now. I'm going to show you guys how it looks after. I got a little bit on the hair, but that's fine. I'm going to make sure I got everything covered. Y'all saw the before. This is the after. Okay?
Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain, curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.